If you're seeing this red and green LED light on your Breville Virtual Plus machine, then it's time for descaling. I've got the official Nespresso descaling solution here. Inside this box, there are 2 packets of descaling solution. The affiliate link to this item is in the description of this video. If you do decide to click my link and buy this kit, I will be earning a small commission at no cost to you, and you'll be helping support my channel and all the helpful videos I make. The little pamphlet that comes with this solution simply describes the product and outlines some warnings. To find the steps on how to descale your machine, you will want to find the original manual that came with your specific machine. Let's move on and do the step-by-step guide for the Virtual Plus machine that I have. First step is to make sure there are no coffee pods left inside. Next, you will need to measure the amount of water to mix with the descaling solution. For the Virtual Plus, you will need 500 milliliters of water, which is roughly 2 cups of water. I recommend using filtered drinking water or even bottled water if you don't have any way of filtering your water. In fact, I recommend only using filtered or bottled water to brew coffee in Nespresso machines. This will prevent scale buildup and your machine will last much longer. Alright, first we fill the water into the Nespresso container and then the descaling solution over it. You will only be using 1 descaling packet. Save the other one for the next time you need to descale again. Place the descaling mixture onto the platform and an empty container to catch the output. Alright now, listen carefully here. With the machine off, that means plugged in but without an LED light on. You will be pressing the button and the lever down at the exact same time and holding it for 3 seconds. If you do this correctly, you'll see a solid orange LED on top. Next, press the lever down and quickly press the button right after. The orange LED light should start blinking. Now, simply press the button and the machine should start descaling. If you get this wrong, simply unplug the machine, plug it back in, and try again. While it's descaling, the machine will stop and start several times. This is normal. It will take a few minutes to run all the descaling mixture through the machine. In the meantime, you can observe how it's breaking down all the scale buildup and old coffee out of your machine. Once it has finished running all the descaling solution, it's going to stop and wait until you fill the container with clean water. At this time, I would quickly wipe any splashes on the machine and the counter with the damp cloth. It's not good to leave corrosive descaling solution on things. I would also rinse the empty Nespresso container before filling it with fresh water, just to get any descaling solution out of it. Alright, now with fresh water in the Nespresso container and an empty jug in the front, press the button once to continue the descaling process. This is going to run all that water through the machine. Now listen carefully. Once it's done, we need to exit descaling mode correctly so that it resets the descaling timer on your machine. We need to press the lever down and the button at the same time for 3 seconds. It will start blinking green for a few seconds and then it should turn a solid green color. That means we successfully exited descaling mode. And that's it. Alright now, the manual says you're done, but I don't like the idea of possibly having descaling solution or anything else stuck in the machine. I will refill the Nespresso container with a clean water and place an empty jug in front again. And this time I'll run the cleaning cycle. You do this by pressing the button 3 times within a 2-second period. The first time I tried this, I messed up and pressed it 4 times, so it failed and blinked red. I'll go ahead and try again. There we go. It worked the second time, and it's going to run all the water through. I normally do this cleaning cycle 3 or 4 times, maybe even more depending on how unclean the output looks. When it's done cleaning, it will flash orange. To get out of cleaning mode, simply press the lever down for 3 seconds to shut down. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to help my channel out.